Vom Kosmetikfläschchen über das Schiebedach fürs Auto bis zur kompletten Hochhausfassade. Wer auf dem amerikanischen Kontinent Expertise in Sachen Glas sucht, geht zu Vitro im mexikanischen Monterrey. Seit mehr als 100 Jahren produziert das Unternehmen hier Glas. Genau diesen Werkstoff will Humberto Figueroa permanent weiterentwickeln und sieht in der IT das passende Werkzeug.
ICT has been fundamentally amazing for the business. We have been able to digitalize processes, to integrate processes, and as far as we are moving along in new acquisitions and growing the business, ICT has allowed us to integrate them and achieve the synergies that the businesses have presented as part of the strategy and the business objectives to keep growing and getting more EBIT.
Die Grundlage dafür? In den vergangenen 3 Jahren hat Vitro seine IT-Strukturen grundlegend erneuert. Mit der Einführung von SAP beispielsweise konnte der mexikanische Marktführer interne Prozesse vereinen.
So that allows us to focus on solving problems in just a single way for all the business at the same time. That always achieve a lot of benefits to the business and being more efficient in the way we handle our IT resources. So right now we're trying to capitalize all those efforts that we've done in the past time and then be ready for the growth of the business.
Desktop-Services, Network-Management-Services und vieles mehr. Vitro bezieht seit mehreren Jahren IT-Leistungen von T-Systems. Damals suchte Vitro einen Partner, der Dynamic SAP Services verlässlich bereitstellen konnte. Der IT-Chef erinnert sich.
Back then it was very difficult to find someone that can provide that, and we were able to find the T-System had already a solution that we were looking for that would help us achieve the benefits and the savings and the speed, obviously the stabilization that we were looking for, and then we got an engagement with T-Systems back then. And last year we were looking also to extend that agreement, and based on the experience that we had with T-Systems, we were able to achieve good SLAs year by year. So we decided to continue the business and extend it for another 5 years.
Von den Vorteilen der Digitalisierung möchte Vitro auch in den nächsten Jahren profitieren.
You know that data is the new oil, so we are trying to harvest oil so we can apply algorithms, machine learning algorithms that will allow us to predict things and improve our production processes.
Besonders großes Potenzial für die Glasindustrie sieht Figueroa in der Sensorik und dem Umgang mit Messdaten.
What I can tell you based on the IT side is how do we sensor what is happening in the glass. Actually capturing data from the glass so we can control and see and measure and provide better service to our end customers from the data that we can gather from the actual glass. Our goal is to move from an experience-based production into a data scientific production-based company.